On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. Let's go, baby. Bitcoin dumping. That got me. Chernobyl dogs in the chat. Let's go. How's everybody doing? Hopefully we're all having a wonderful trading week. Who cares about the price? Is your portfolio up or down? How has your trading week been, right? Long-term bags versus short-term trades, right? It's got to separate them. Got to keep it separated. We got an amazing Friday. A couple of surprises today. We're going to do a couple of giveaways. And I got to check my swear jar. I got to check my swear jar. I'm up to the neck in the swear jar. I got to work on the swearing. And we have a secret after the stream thing that's going on. Maybe you guys will come and hang out. Let's take a look at the chat. What's going on? Good morning, everybody. I'm not going to hide it from you guys because I'm excited for it myself. Okay, so after the stream, we're going to go over. Boom! The stream isn't going to end, guys. We're going to go over to my friend FD White, and we're going to go over and hang out at his channel. So at 10 a.m., we're just going to keep on trading. We're just going to go over there and do the same thing. So you're going to get like at least another half hour out of me on a Friday? Are you kidding me? I mean, you guys are getting spoiled today. 2 giveaways. I don't want to look at the swear jar. Should I look at the swear jar? We can look at the swear jar. I don't know why I keep the swear jar on the Dixie, but I do. I don't know why. How full is it? Did I swear yesterday? Whew, it's full. It's full. Well, we'll have to give away the swear jar to the Discord members today, later on. Because we do have a Discord live, too, at noon today, Eastern Standard Time. So we're going to do 2 giveaways, 2 memberships in honor. Could I get some ones in the chat? It's been a year. It's been a year since we've had like a premium Discord. A year in business for me, I guess you'd say, right? Because we started, we took on some traders. We built a Discord. We had a free Discord for 2.5 years. Free. Okay, and I wasn't as active. I was really just building a community of people who like to trade together. And now it's like this totally other absolute beast. Sam, I am allowed 2 swears a stream. I'm allowed 2 swears a stream. There's a buffer for it because otherwise I'd be broke. But we've been in business a year now, so we're doing a 1-year sale starting next week. And then we're going to do 2 giveaways today so that if you didn't get the giveaway, why would we give the giveaway when the stale sale starts? Double top right now. And yeah, exciting times. I mean, exciting times. 2 swears a stream, your first and last. All the swears in between are counted. That's the one, Brooke. That's the one, man. That's the one. Hopefully you guys have enough patience with me. But Bitcoin, rolling over. Rolling over. I mean, not the easiest trade. Yesterday was sporadic. You can see in the price action here. Okay, just failing to get above here. However, we were looking for the higher high or the higher low, right? So we're looking for the higher low right now because we've changed structure here. So we need to see a bounce out of here now or SFP and go. Okay, so we got a couple of options right now. We'll see if we get it. Push back and get above this 110 level here. I would like to see us reclaim kind of the lows of this range. What is good is I really didn't like this bottom. So we've come back for it. Okay, we'll see if we do bounce today, at least halfway up this candle. Look to come up to maybe 110.505. We got some key areas. We're ready to go. But we're also going on FD White today for some extra trading after the stream, which is going to be awesome. I'm excited. FD White, thanks for not being weird. That's kind of his. We met in Vegas, okay? And when you meet up with people that you're in the same industry with or that you work with, like Crypto Billy's weird. No, I'm kidding. I love you, Crypto Billy. I'm just kidding, man. Crypto Billy's like, he's like the godfather of crypto, man. I love you, bro. But there's always a concern that they're just going to be like really weird. Like you can't have a normal conversation with them. I mean, there was a couple. I won't mention names. We love everybody. Everybody's special in their own way. But you're always like, man, this guy, I don't know if I would go and like play like a game of pool with this guy or like ping pong or whatever you do, right? Pickleball nowadays, right? Pickleball. I don't know if I'd play pickleball with this guy, right? So Crypto Billy, what's going on, man? Good to see you, bro. I seen you in the chat, man. I'd play pickleball with Crypto Billy. I'd have to win though, or I'd be his teammate, and we could play Dave Digital and absolutely whoop their ass. Whoever else he's playing with. Thoughts on options expiring? I mean, today's a doozy, guys. Today is going to be an absolute doozy. We got core PC coming out, personal income, personal spending. Okay, we got a whole plethora of news coming our way. So jumping into a trade right now and within the next 20 minutes is probably not the best idea. Probably. Just saying. Okay, so it's going to be a volatile day. Obviously, we've had a dump overnight. Asia's just, I mean, someone in our Discord shared this. I have to share it. I mean, it's inappropriate, but we don't care because, like, come on. Some people are just so sensitive these days. You got to be able to have a laugh. This is our interpretation of what Asia does, okay, in our Discord now. Dunk. You gotta laugh, man. You gotta laugh. That's what we put for Asia in our Discord. So I mean, we're a bit degen and we like to laugh. What's going on, everybody? Say good morning, Rashad Muckin. Good morning. Good to see you. Good afternoon. Alexander G, thank you for being here. Southern Stacker, good morning to you. Thank you for being here as well. Quick Smoker Crypto Rob, good morning. Looks like we're getting a little push into our resistance here. We'll see how it goes. Ammo, what's going on? Loco for Crypto Gear, good morning to you. Fahid, gang, let's go. Blue Collars, what's going on? Fakura, good to see you as well. Nihil, and good morning. Finally made it early. Good job, man. Thank you for being here. Albert Raja Gukuk, my man. Ryan Smith, good morning, Alex. You 5'4", sexy beast. Yeah, man. I think my wife thinks I'm like 5'3 3/4. So maybe, my wife's like, you're not 5'4". I'm 165 centimeters on my driver's license. I asked the lady when I renewed my driver's license to make it 166 just to annoy my wife a little bit. Round up, please. Okay. Nice push here. Into some liquidity and resistance right here. I'm looking a little bit higher. VWAP's pretty high as well. The 12-minute money flow is still coming out. 24 is trying to push back. We have an anchor wave, so we're typically looking for a trigger here. We're looking for whatever. This one, or this one, right? So, fair value gap, golden pocket locally, volume resistance. Okay, so we have a couple of areas where we are looking for shorts and potential continuations to the downside into our pink box. I don't know if we get there. 107.5, still our level. Okay? Still our level, 107.5. Set an alert because you're going to be touching grass. This weekend, you're not going to be staring at the charts, right? Don't lie to me. All right. View ups above us, trying to push here. We'll see how it goes. Doji engulfing, yeah. Continuation, yeah. Okay, looking to come for this high right now. Red line. I mean, we could consider a short here, but I'm not. Guys, 19 minutes till fireworks. So let's be patient here. We'll do some top-down analysis. We'll look at a whole bunch of stuff, and we'll say good morning to everybody. Good morning, Paul Caruso. Good to see you. John Foster, Crypto Mass Rider. Seymour Liddy, my man. Otter Gang. Let's make some money, baby. Let's go, baby. Ando Pancho, Crypto Dog. Good morning to you. AlexOCrypto. Ando Pancho, Too Fit. Good morning to you. Andrew Cameron. Good morning, my fellow Canadians. Procent. Good morning, my UK United Kingdomians. What would you call? I know they're British, right? But UKians, my South Africans, my Europeans, my Australians, my Russians, my Germans, all the fun people, the South Americans, my South Asians. What's going on, guys? Can't forget about the South Asians. I think we get a lot of like Pakistan and India, and it's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool to think we're all just here hanging out on some stupid internet thing. Ocean, what's going on, IKO? Good to see you, man. Cartley, Procent, good morning. Good to see you. Late Q4, we will be rich. That's the hope. Be my motive. Good morning, Southern Stacker. Thank you for being here. ES Pit, Boat, good morning to you. Rashad, hit the like, people. He says hit the like, so you should listen to Rashad. Crypto Jung, good morning, man. Crypto J, good morning, brother. Good to see you. Okay, coming into the news here, guys. This is going to be a doozy. I think we don't want to see core PCE be too hot, man. This is the thing. If this comes in hot, they're gonna panic cut. Okay, if inflation comes up, which it is, they're gonna panic cut. We don't want them to panic cut. We want them to just easily start quantitative easing, nice and smooth, 0.25. Not like, oh my God, we're losing all the jobs and we're getting inflation and we're going into stagflation and we're gonna go to zero. We don't want them doing that. That will cause a big sell-off. We want it smooth criminal. All right. That's bad. So Buongiorno, my Italians. Come stai? Tutto bene? Good morning, Just. Slab. Good morning, Mazda Man. Good to see you, Cajun. I love that you guys all say good morning, man. That means a lot to me. You don't have to do jack diddly squat. Just don't be weird. Say good morning. Bratochka. What's going on? Damn, I have to make an extra long coffee. Yeah, it's going to be my live, and then we're going to go over to FD's channel and continue trading on his channel, okay, with the cool kids. I think he calls himself. They're the cool kids, man. I don't know. We're the Otter Gang. We're the OGs. They're the cool kids. So we're going to go and trade with the cool kids, man, because they got some alpha over there. I know FD White has done well for himself in this industry, okay? So there's always things to learn from people who are transparent, who are helping you guys navigate these charts. FD White's one of them. And he's not weird. He's a good dude, you know? Thank you for not being weird, FD White, if you are in here. 1 year celebration today. We're going to do 2 giveaways. We're going to extend the stream longer. We're going to have a sale next week. Okay, so everything's going to be going well. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Sam. Thank you for being here. Gear. Good morning to you, Crypto Dog. Jason, thank you for being here. Good morning. Amen. Look at all these beautiful people in here. Crypto Billy, Fahid, Al Jr., my man. What's going on, Al Jr. and STL Coin? You guys have been here forever, man. Vegas Cloud. Buenos mornings, Master Ata. Sit Bible next to you and look at it before you think you're going to swear. Oh, man, that would just make me feel guilty, man. That would make me feel guilty. I guess Crow Pump is done. Well, I wouldn't say it's done. I would just say it's exhausted. Good morning, Andrew Cameron. Good to see you. Or you ever met someone and they're way shorter than they look on camera? Everybody says I look tall on camera. Everybody's like, man, I thought you were like a giant. And I'm like, it's the personality. No. It's the short person syndrome. Okay? That's what it is. If you want the truth of it all, it's the short person syndrome. What's going on, Paper Planes, my man? AlexOCrypto, Walsh, Jesse, good morning to you guys. Loco for Crypto, good morning. Ola, Boat, good to see you. You guys love that. You love that Asian Open. Lewis, good morning. Chantel, happy Friday. How's everybody doing? Ooh, this is not a good. This is normally at 40%, sky high. I'm up this week, guys. So I've had a really good week, actually. I'm up like 4.5 grand. It's a good week for me. Been very volatile and choppy again. We're coming back into September, guys. This is when the VIX will kick up. The volatility will increase. People are getting back from vacation. Their kids are going back to school. Ask Andrew Cameron. And they're back in the charts. They're looking to make some money before they have to pay taxes next year, right? So they're getting into Q4 earnings. They're going to sell some stuff. They're going to buy some stuff. They're going to realize profits on some things. They're going to trade something. It's going to be a good quarter. I'm excited. You're excited. You should be excited. Okay? So it's going to get choppy. It's going to get scammy. It's going to get exactly what we love. Do you know why? Because volatility is king. Price moves quick. We can make money. When price does this, come on, man. You know, sit here all day. Anyways, as a scalper, I like when the VIX kicks up. And if you hear me talking about the VIX, it's the volatility index here. And typically the volatility index here, when it's trading above 17 here, it's nice and quick. Okay? You can see when Donald Trump inauguration, insane. Okay? Over here, we're slow AF. Right? Painful. It'll go okay? Here we got like fluidity. That's what I would like to call it. Fluidity. Right? Up here it's like da 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 da. Okay? Here it's like, yeah, man, we get long, we're paid in half an hour. We get short, we're paid in half an hour. Targets reached, okay? It's nice up in here. This is the juicy zone, and we want to see this get back up in here. Okay, you don't want it to be all crazy like Donald Trump here, but that will happen eventually. But we want it up in here. Okay, volatility index. Always check it. I have an alert at 17 and an alert at 22, so I know it's below 17. When it's below 17, I know that price is going to be chop and then boom, chop and then boom. Hasn't it been chop and boom? Okay, it has, right? So things to always be checking before you get wrecking yourself. Okay. Oof. Oh, I can't give them the ETH setup in the Discord because the Discord's on fire. Just ask. Just ask Apulia. Apulia has been in the Discord. And he goes, thank you, King Beaver, for the setup. Thank you, King Beaver, for the setup. Thank you, King Beaver, for the setup once again. Entered on the retracement on the bounce of the golden pocket in 786. Good job, man. Love it. Love it. Love it. Thank you, Alex. You the man, says Roaming Brave. Nah, you're the man. All right, you guys crushing it. Love seeing it. I mean, we did call Link. We did call Ado. We did call ETH and Sol, and then we dumped, okay? So make sure you're taking profits on the ideas and the setups. But the Discord has been absolutely on fire. And we'll be giving away 2 Discord memberships. However, if you're already a member of the Discord, we will give you some USDT. USDT, that's the one. Okay? So everybody can participate. Everybody can participate. Happy Friday, Crypto Billy. Good to see you. Guratara. Happy Friday. Good to see you. French Toaster, my man. What's going on, bro? How you been? David Brumbelow. Mr. Brumbalow's in the chat. Nice little pushback this morning for Bitcoin. Maybe it's putting in a push for the news to come out and go. Got 8 minutes till news, guys. We do not want to see more inflation. Okay. Dusty Saxon people. What's going on, Army Piper? Switzerland. Awesome. Good morning, Brave David, Adil, Paul. Good to see you, Paul, John. Ali Raza. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Good morning, Steve Hickey. How's it going, man? Free liquid Diddy, says Vegas Claw. Andrew Cameron, yes, first day was short-lived, already on day 2. Yeah, absolutely. Little girls off to school. Dusty, Amir, DDT's in here. Good to see you, Cartley. John as well. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Vietnam, let's go. Let's go. Cocaine's in the chat. What's going on, Cocaine? Good to see you, man. Wally, good morning. Good to see you guys. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. So let's prepare for the news. How are we prepared, right? So a prepared trader is a profitable trader. And when looking at the charts, what we can really understand is that the liquidity in the lows had not been taken, okay? And it ekes me, but we were prepared for this, but not like this. Just not like this. Just not like this, okay? We were prepared for this liquidity in here. Okay, and we were like, I like this push-up, but I don't like these lows. I like this push-up, I don't like these lows. And we were saying that multiple times throughout this week as we continued to push. Okay, if we look at Jasmy, we like these. You see this? We drew all the liquidity here. Jasmy, Ondo, SEI, all my watch list, right? I liked the push-up, but I hated the lows, right? I liked the push-up, but I hated the lows. Same with Tia, all in here. Fartcoin, up in here, right? So that's what happens, right? That's what happens. So virtuals, I like the bottoming structure still, but still ugly, right? So when you leave liquidity behind without good constructive price action, you tend to go back and return to it eventually, right? Hence the Bart Simpson, right? Big ass Bart Simpson. Okay? So ass is not a swear word, Billy. So we've returned to it. Obviously pretty aggressively, but we've returned to it. So now we're taking these lows. We're trying to push right now, trying to recover, V-shaped recovery. We'll see if we do it. Is this sufficient enough liquidity swept to push price higher. We'll have to wait and see. We got news in 5 minutes. We're getting a little bit of a pushback right now. Okay, Bitcoin's down 2% on the day though. So let's be level-headed here from up here. Okay, we have a lot of resistance in front of us. We have downwards trending momentum, obviously parabolic downtrend, right? Overextended, right? Overextended. So this typically recovers either very aggressively or very slowly. Now the thing is that we haven't taken these lows fully yet. That's my concern. You see here? Haven't touched it. It's close. We've taken this guy here, but we haven't touched these guys yet. Okay? So is this sufficient here? I'm in the no camp right now. I think we get relief and then continuation. Okay? Now we do have a bunch of key levels here. And we're looking for rejections and possible bounces. Okay? And we'll see what we get. Either way, we're going into Friday and looking at the top-down analysis. We'll do that after the news. But the short-term timeframes look like they're going to give some relief, but the long-term timeframes don't. Okay? That's the gist of it. 107, 700, set an alert at 107, 700. Okay? Just letting you know. Don't question the pink boxes. Okay? The pink box yesterday on Solana was right here. This is where the pink box was on Solana. Just saying. And Solana really did tell the story because Solana moved up a lot better than most. Okay, you got double top here. 3 drives, SFP. Okay, so 3 drives. Then the SFP, break a structure, you short here, which I did. I took profits way too early. I shorted here and I shorted here on Solana. That's okay. It was late trading for me. We got 3 minutes till news, guys. Let's jump over to Bitcoin. Let's watch it. Let's prepare. We don't want to see higher inflation. We don't want a panic cut. What's going on, Wix? Wi-Fi 89. Let's go, baby. Let's go. More inflation, more dump. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see how the market reacts here. What do you think, Piper? Are we going to get more inflation or what? Core PC 0.3. If this goes to 0.4, we're in trouble, in my opinion. How's your guys' spending and income? Do you guys have good income right now? How's the sale work? Discount or 1 month of the year? So once you lock in your Discord price, and it just keeps rising, guys, because there's too many people in it already. Okay? Once you have a set price, as long as you don't cancel your membership, you're stuck there. Now, we started a year ago. We started at $20 or year memberships with like a 30% discount. So it's like $200. We started there. And since it's grown and it's increased over time, and it will continue to do that because I just don't have time to deal with like 2, 3, 4, whatever 100 people. Okay? I want it to be people who want to trade and want to learn. I mean, it's the cheapest Discord around right now, but it may not be in the future. So if you lock in the sale, and I'm telling you, whenever I have a sale, it's never going to go under that price again. You have your base price right now. But whenever I have a sale, it's never going under that. And it's $40.69 because it's funny. Okay? Here we go. 10 seconds. Oh, you're at the, are we going to trade it? Sometimes we do trade it, guys, if we're given the right criteria. All right. Out we come. Here we go. The data. 0.3. So it comes in even Steven. 0.4. It comes down on spending. And it comes up on income. Up on income, down on spending. Neutral. Neutral, baby. Let's go. VWAP slap recovery. Bitcoin to the moon. Shorting VWAP? No. I ain't shorting VWAP. I'm not going to do it, guys. This looks healthy. They knew something. These guys knew something in here. Coming into our red box here, so this one's mitigated. This is our volume level of resistance here. Does not care. Does not care. Does not care. It doesn't care, guys. Anybody long? All my alerts are going off. Right through that volume. Guys, this is crazy. All right. 1% move up. Coming back down now. Up only, guys. Whew. What a push. What a push. Coming back down here. Coming back down. Hitting some resistance. Oh my. Oh my God. It's rugging everyone. Considering a long. Coming down. Maybe we get a VWAP slap in here. That would be cool. NASDAQ ripping and dumping. Neutral is good, right, Piper? Neutral is good. Asking for a friend. Trapping longs right now, no trade. No trade, guys. Trapping longs. No trade here. Patience. Here comes the slap. Remember, volume and then boring. Volume, then boring. Here comes the slap. No trade. No trade yet. Still waiting. Go in the 1 minute here. Get a little bit more frisky. Follow through? No follow through. Poor follow through. No trade yet. Still got to go here, guys. Got to show me some strength here. This candle looks like crap. 3 minute looks like crap. Just grabbing late shorts. That's all that did, right? Late shorts to the party. The party's over for them. See if VWAP holds here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Smacking up like button, subscribing if you're new. Welcome. Welcome, everybody. Thank you for being here, hanging out. God bless every single one of you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out. Coming right back down that candle here. Big dump. Considering a long here now. See if we can push above VWAP. Retest of the lows. Wrecked everybody on that long all the way up. Take a stab here. Good patience. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Push. Come on. Stop loss to entry. No, not yet. Not yet. Push Bitcoin. Come on. I'm going to take off half there. Quick $50. It's a little bit too volatile right now. We'll see if we do push. It's got to push from here. Stop loss and profit. See if we can continue up here. Come back. We know there's resistance up here, so I'm going to take off most of it here if we do continue to push here. Just patience there, right? Let it bake. See what it wants to do. See if we can continue to push. What a big wick energy, man. Sweeping all that liquidity in here. Woof. Everybody who got short. Steve ruggling a little bit here. I don't know if we're going to get follow through. Not going to be a dick for a tick. You know, it's just a little scalp here. We'll see if we take this off here. Okay, quick $130. That's fine. It's news data, right? So, like, if you're making money on news data, give yourself a pat on the back, right? If this wants to run, it can run. Otherwise, we chillin'. Okay, a little GG's in the chat with everybody. GG's. We'll see if we do bounce, okay? Right now. Almost came to our rejection level. Perfect standard deviation, though. 1. Standard deviation 1. Perfect rejection. News data. Not easy to trade. Not easy to trade this stuff. You gotta wait, and then wait some more, and then wait some more, then wait some more. Okay, see if we VWAP flip here. That would be cool. We're going to do a couple giveaways today, guys. Good morning, everybody. We're going to do a couple giveaways today. We are going live for a continuation here with FD White after the live show here, guys. Live trading with FD White. So we're going to send you guys over to his stream. Hang out with the cool kids, man. I'm going to go over to his stream. Bitcoin trying to push here. NASDAQ looking okay. Decent numbers today, so coming in neutral, as Piper has said. Thank you, Army Piper, for being here. Everybody here is a subscriber of the Piper Academy. I'm sure they are. They better be. Okay, goody two shoes here. We'll see. How does that affect our CME Fed Watch tool? It was at 85% last time I looked. Neutral. Hasn't moved. Sorry about the flashbang. Okay, cool. Cool kids. That's who we're hanging out today. So NASDAQ had a positive reaction. Bitcoin did as well. Now it has rugged everybody. Bitcoin is still bearish in my opinion. What has this done to structure? Well, it's simply wicked up, right? So it's grabbed liquidity in these highs up here, not necessarily fully done the job. So we can look for a retest continuation now, breaking this high in here on our 12-minute structure. But yeah, just a big scam wick, really. Okay, so we'll see how the rest of the day goes with pricing this in. We are long from like right here. Probably going to get stopped out, which is cool with me. We've realized $130 on that trade already. So we'll see what else the day brings for us. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We're going to do a giveaway shortly and get everybody all caught up here. So thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, smacking up the likes. Could we get those likes to 200, please? We have 500 people in here and only 118 likes. Rolling over here for Bitcoin. Stopped out of that trade. GG's. I've seen you guys in the chat already. Put the GG's, so you don't have to do that again. Just say good morning, say hello, say what's up, whatever you're into. Quick $120 on the news. Okay. Any money made on the news is good money. Okay, VWAP retest, continuation back down. Here we go. Coming back into the lows of the range. Rolling over here for Bitcoin. Decent amount of liquidity in the lows in here, could be coming lower, very simply. Obviously, Bitcoin was bearish last night, so rolling over. We'll see if it does want to continue to wreck everybody, or if it's going to be kind to us today. Either way, we got to let price kind of settle. We'll see what goes on, but pretty awesome. Pretty awesome price action this morning. At least we get a little bit of a. At least we get a little bit of action. A little bit of action. All right. Well, we're going to go over to here. Okay, to start us off, I told Brewberry that we would get him to 1,000 subscribers today. This is a trader in our Discord. Brewberry. You're going to go over to his video and comment Otter Gang, and you're going to subscribe to his channel and get him to 1,000 subscribers. Then we're going to do the giveaway. So go over here, comment Otter Gang. Otter Gang. We're going to let this price action bake a little bit, so we're going to do a giveaway right now. Go over here, comment Otter Gang, and subscribe to Brewberry. He's one of our amazing traders. If you're not subbed, you're a silly Billy. Yeah, he goes live right after me for the Discord members. Okay? Incredible trader, incredible person. Go over here, comment Otter Gang. Okay? I want to see lots of Otter Gangs, and I want to see this hit 1,000 subscribers. I'll be very upset if we don't hit 1,000 subscribers. I told him we would get him there today. 996. Come on, guys. Rookie numbers. Go over and subscribe to Brewberry TA. Come on. There we go. Thank you very much. Now let's blow this up and share it to Brewberry. All right. Go over to our Discord and tell Brewberry. There we go. 1K by Friday. Now we're going to do the giveaway. Go over here, comment Otter Gang. We're going to go and comment Picker. We're going to put in our beautiful... Bitcoin's flat right now, guys. It's boring. You guys all commented Otter Gang on the video, right? Am I right? Otter Gang. 1.1. I like that. I like that. That's even sexier. All right. You commented Otter Gang. Okay. All right. Even Discord members. I'll give you one last chance. Otter Gang. Over here. On Brewbear's video. The link's in the description of the chat here. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Go over to this. Even if you're in the Discord, you'll win some USDT. Okay? Let's go, baby. Last chance. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. I need some tunes. Let's go, Dylan. Congratulations, Dylan. Welcome to the gang, gang, gang. I don't know if you're already in the gang, man. These names are confusing. Okay? Come over to the Discord and collect your prize. Congratulations, Dylan. Congrats. Singrats. I spelt it wrong on purpose. No, I didn't. I just spelt it like that. Congrats, Dylan. Come over, show me a picture of your YouTube screen, and I will hook you up, man. Welcome. Congrats, Dylan. GG's. GG's for Dylan. I manifested the shite out of that. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. That's awesome. I love it. Okay, Bitcoin pushing back here. Bitcoin pushing back, trying to go. Little pushback into VWAP. We're going to do another giveaway. Stay close here. We got Dylan's a winner chicken dinner right now. All right. Looks like we're trying to push here. NASDAQ trying to push here. Dixie. Woof. That's swear jar, guys. My God. My God. That's nasty. That's nasty. Oof. NASDAQ trying to push. Balloon dog forming. Okay, we got double bottom. Possible. We'll see. Big rollover yesterday. Possible recovery back up to the top here. Bitcoin looking to push as well. A little bit of patience here. Got nice trending momentum in this. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. I ain't convinced. We'll put it that way. I'm not convinced. Gonna chop VWAP probably until market opens, okay? That would be my guess. That would be my guess. We'll see what we get. We're prepared either way. Okay? We're prepared either way. Now we know this was tapped, but we know this is our actual level of resistance here. Why volume? Okay, we look out here, go 3 minute. Let's back it up here to the 12. Okay. Right? Okay, we knew this was our resistance this morning. Bring it up to there. Thank you. Okay, so that's still going to be our resistance now. Okay? With this price action, the way it's pushing, it's doing the same thing. It's leaving liquidity at the lows. We want to see a retrace. We want to see this. It'll be healthy. Okay, we want healthy price action. Moving on up. Get on up. Okay, on up. Get on up. All right. Now, the next giveaway. You're going to go over to my friend's son, okay? This is where you support up-and-comings, okay? He's already at 1,450 subscribers. Space City Breaks, okay? This is for Billy, but it's also for my friend Jimbo and his son. We want to support new creators, so we're going to go over to here, and we're going to comment Otter Gang, all right? We're going to go and subscribe to my man. Let's see if we can get him to 1.5 subscribers, because I know you guys aren't subscribed to him. We're going to do another giveaway. Go over to this video. Comment Otter Gang again. I want to get these out of the way so we can trade, okay? We're going to do another giveaway because this is our 1-year anniversary for being in business, so we got to do it. We got to do it right. And then we're having a sale next week, guys. A sale next week, okay? $40.69 because 69 is funny, okay? They wouldn't let me make it 42.00. I should make it 420 this time. Increase it by $2, but I'm not going to do that. Happy 1 year. Thank you, man. Let's go over and support. I think we can get this to 1.5. And he did a wicked live stream yesterday. He did like 3-hour live stream with Jimbo. Jimbo's probably sleeping in today, guys. Bitcoin rolling over here as expected. Okay, VWAP slap probably coming down here. Let's see if it loses momentum. A little patience here, guys. Choppy this morning. I remember when you celebrated 5K, now we're at 15K subs. It's pretty wild, man. I'm just grateful. I mean, I think subs is just a number. I mean, I'm happy we get like 300, 400, 500 people who show up and hang out and trade with me. Like, that's cool, man. When I started this, it was like 1,000 people. I just want to trade with like 1,000 people. That was my goal. I just want to sit here and trade with 1,000 people at a time. We've hit those numbers a couple times, but the subs is cool, but it's like you want to just hang out with like a bunch of people, kicking ass, taking names, taking trades, good times, right? It's just a number. You remember when I rigged it and I won? Yeah, I mean, next time, I'll comment on this next one. Go over to this video, comment Otter Gang. We're going to give away a membership. We'll do a couple months, okay? We'll do a couple months. There was just 3 or 4 of us in the beginning. That's the one, Billy. Me, my grandma, my grandma's dog, and Billy. And Melissa. Melissa was here too. Melissa's a day one. We love you. We love you, Melissa. How is the baby doing, bro? Baby turned 1 last week, so he's a toddler now, I guess. He's amazing. He's teething right now. He's being a real pain in the butt. He's making my wife exhausted. God bless her. But he's a bundle of joy. He's incredible. He's starting to try and walk. He's talking. He's squawking. He's doing what a baby does, man. He's amazing. Just grateful. DDT's the day one as well. We love the day ones, man. God bless you guys. Good morning, Kervin. Good morning to you. Go over here, comment Otter Gang, subscribe to the channel, support the new coolest cat in town, Mr. Taco. We got 1.5. Let's go, baby. 162 comments. That's what I'm talking about. The gang showing up. Thank you guys for showing up. All right. Let's get back to this. New role here. If you are a Discord member, you can obviously participate again. So go over there and comment. You will win USDT instead of a membership. Okay. 6 and 1 is 12. Get up, get on up. 100 comments. Let's go. 140 comments. You guys are wild. We're going to make this a little longer here. I'm going to go 45 seconds. All right. Yeah, I suck, right? I suck. Why are you making us wait so long for our prize that we're not going to win? Because I wanted to listen to the tune, man. Do it right.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto.
Otters in the chat, let's go, baby.
Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang,
That's an Otter Gang Crypto Rob.
Get about the lane, ain't about the trade.
Let's go, baby.
Get another play.
Gang, gang.
Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed.
It's a felony
Don't look at me
for the TRB.
On the come up, better sit low.
GG's.
The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. On the come up, better sit low. The
Thank you for
product base, but it drip
subscribing,
though.
supporting our
Pocket
fellow
fat when the
content
chips
creators.
low.
God bless you guys.
AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco.
I like being the
Fan base
Batman
like
of
my
crypto,
wallet, yo.
man.
Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
Weird numbers, guys. Neutral. We're going over today.
AlexOCrypto.
We're going live with FD White today, guys. The live trading is not ending here. We're going over to FD White's channel after this at 10 a.m. and we're gonna go over and trade there. This is a non-stop. This is a celebration of a year for me, being a monetized Discord in business for a year. We got a sale starting next Monday for the 1st of September. So if you didn't get your membership, lock in your cheaper price. It will not be $40.69 ever again. Just letting you know. Okay, let's see if we can find some trades today. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, smacking up like buttons, subscribing if you're new. We only got 170 likes. That's kind of rookie numbers, considering we've already taken a trade and we're looking to take more. We'll see if we do find anything in here. But it looks like Bitcoin's trying to push. NASDAQ's looking strong as well. Okay, so we'll see if we can get a little bit of a recovery, probably back up to the highs in here. So we'll see how that behaves. The Dixie, we owe some money for the swear jar. The SPY climbing that wall of worry, still looking very, very lucrative here with that NVIDIA earnings. NVIDIA, see, I said it right. Probably a little gap down to continuation. We'll see if we do get that massive push, blow off top kind of expansion that we are looking for here. Solana, Big Wick Energy, Ethereum, Big Wick Energy. Okay, we'll see if alts want to lead again. Do have this like nice downtrending momentum on Ethereum. See if it does break. Same with Solana here, finding nice bottoming structure here and pushing onwards and upwards. We'll see if Bitcoin wants to follow suit. If it can flip VWAP or not. Suit is black not. We got 410 people in here. Thank you for being here. Subscribing if you're new. We're live here Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Trading the market open, taking trades, showing the wins, showing the losses, kicking ass, taking names, having fun. That's it. So thank you guys for being here and being part of the OGs in the chat. It's NVIDIA. It's a Spanish word. I Googled it. I had to learn. Non-durables dropped. Luxury items went up. Rich are buying vacations and goods. Most are cutting back in food and gas. Not a good look. That's the one. Oh, man. 1 year, yeah. Pretty wild. Espes, Mercedes, let's go. Fahid, good morning to you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Congratulations on the winners chicken dinners. Mr. Crypto Rob. Stevie Wonderous. It's me, Dylan. Hey, Dylan. So just go over here and verify, Click the little check mark box here on the verification, please. And then we'll get you all hooked up there. Give you a couple months of Otter Gang membership, man. So congratulations, TV Wondrous. Welcome to the gang. And Crypto Rob, get over there. Nice push here for Biddy. Looking strong on the Nas. See if we can get up here. We have flipped value area low to support, so we'll see if this can continue to push. Right now, I think a little bit of a trap coming into market open. It's 9 o'clock. Thank you guys for being here. Let's do a little top-down analysis on what we're looking for. So obviously, we got the data that came in this morning. Obviously, a big old push up and then coming back down. Grabbing all these shorts in here. Really, it's a big liquidity grab in my opinion. So most likely continuation down. We are in the downtrend now since breaking structure here. Okay, so we would look for retracements down. This is bounced off the 886. Shout out to Army Piper. Doesn't necessarily mean we're out of the woods yet. Okay, for me, liquidity is still here. So I would be surprised if they didn't do something like this. It is Friday, so we could get a little bit of hopium into a dumpium. Okay, hopium into dumpium over the weekend. So be prepared for that. 107.7 is my key level that I am looking for a potential bounce. This low has not been taken. These lows have. Okay, so liquidity still resides down here. We have bounced off the 886. We are trying to break this downwards momentum to the this guy here. We're trying to break this guy here. Okay. Nothing as of yet. We're not even close. So can Bitcoin continue to push? Flip view up. We'll see. Looking at a couple of things. So let's get rid of all the lines on the chart and let's take a look objectively at this. So this is why isn't this not? This keeps happening, guys. We're TradingView will not respect my shift button. It's not doing the shift button on here. I gotta keep reloading my Bitcoin chart here, ruining my organization. Drives me a little bit bonkers if you couldn't tell. Anyways, weekly candle looks like complete dog poop. Okay, not looking good. 3 black crows. Okay, not looking good. Could be a recipe for more down, right? Market cipher pointing down, rotating down. Everything's pointing down. Okay, rejection off the 0 line down. Okay, so a little bit of relief would be welcomed here. We wanted to see this close positively. We were up there at 113, 114, and now we're not. Okay, so it's a nothing burger. We also have the monthly candle close coming in. We were pretty flat as of yesterday. Now we are not. We are down again. So this is not looking good. Tweezer top if we close if we close below 107, we close below 107, I think we're in a bit of trouble. We could see much lower. Meaning like 80. No, I'm joking. 98,000. That's our level. 98,000. Okay. That's the level that we could see. If we tweezer top here, that would be ugly, okay? Not saying we're gonna, but just giving you guys the heads up. So weekly looks like crap. 3 days the hopium. Okay, 3-day trigger wave trying to push up here. Money flow coming in. View up curving to the upside. So there is hopium here, but this suggests like yeah, this suggests like late next week. So it's a ways away. The daily here rolling back down, which is not good. Okay, rolling back down here, failing to kind of roll up and push because we want to see that anchor trigger wave in here, right? Nothing yet. So it's still not looking good. Money flow coming out. Still trickling downwards. Still ugly. The longer term time frames look bearish. The shorter term time frames look like there might be a little bit of relief. Okay, so 12-hour here, a little bit of anchor triggering here going on. However, this candle does look weak here. So this does look like more downside here. So be prepared for more downside over the long term, really is what this is saying. And for some liquidity to be swept, whether it's in here or whether it's lower, right? But this should be your first target. Okay. Lows and then here, 107.5, just like I've said. Okay. Triple bottom here, a little bit of hopium. But that's got to turn up come, yeah, I'd say Monday, Tuesday. Okay. 8-hour money flow still red coming out. 4-hour. anchor trigger wave. Hidden bullish divergence, not yet. Okay, this one needs to put in a lower low. Then we get hidden bullish divergence. Okay, that would be juicy. They're not there yet. Trying to trigger up here. Potential relief, which we got. And now we could see potential down. So I'm not trying to be the bearer of bad news, but it's not looking great. Okay? The 3, trying to push up. 2, trying to push up. Same deal. Okay? The 1 hour here has lots of room to the upside. We can see anchor trigger wave over the weekend, right? That would be cool. If we swept like that, if we swept the low here, and we did something like this with bullish divergence, okay, we could come easily back up to where this started, which would be up in here. Okay? God, go make me lose my mind. Up in here. Up in here. We still only have 196 likes, guys. What the heck? You guys are crazy. You make me ask too many times today. Thank you for liking and subscribing. It's Friday, baby. We've done 2 giveaways. We're going to continue trading into the future here. Okay, we're going to go over to FD White's channel after this. We're redirecting the channel. So you don't even have to move. You don't even have to click a button. Okay, look. We have a redirect option here on the live streaming. You see here? We can redirect. So we're going to redirect you right over to his channel. Okay? Happy days. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. I'm probably just going to go and like hug my wife and son and then jump over there. Okay? We're working extra today because, you know, FD is family. We love FD. And we're going to go over there and we're going to trade live with him so that the trading's nonstop, guys. Rudy needs a giveaway. Let's go. Hype for the mods. Let's go, John Foster Crypto. Good to see you, man. How you doing? Lunar Beaches in the chat. LBC. How's it going, LBC? Much love to you, bro. Crypto Alt Delete. NVIDIA. It's NVIDIA. Yeah, Envy. NVIDIA. NVIDIA means envy in Spanish. BC Port Corp in the chat. What's going on, bro? Gains for life. Good morning to you. B-Rad, Rudy, Southern Stacker, Simeon. Good morning to you guys. Thank you for being here. STL Coin. John Foster Crypto. Man, as soon as I bitched about the likes, I got 30 likes. You guys are crazy, man. See, they say don't ask for likes, but then you tell them, hey, man, like the damn video. Come on, what the hell are you doing? Hate doing it, man. So I feel like I go on it. I'm here talking to a stupid ass camera, looking at a bunch of screens and a chat, and I'm saying, can you imagine being God, and God's up there and he's watching, because he's always watching, and he just sees me sitting here with a big circle light pointed at my face, 4 squares, a camera, saying, like and subscribe. Like, do you ever think about that? I do. I feel like an absolute dumbass. He's probably like, man, go out there and serve and help people the best way you can, right? And I guess this is the best way I can serve and help people. I can build a house too, so I could go and do that, but that hurts. Right? Crypto Rob says, add mine to the mods, please. Crypto Rob, you're going to give it away? Okay. Okay, Crypto Rob's giving it away. You want it to the mods, or do you want me to do another giveaway? Congratulations, Crypto Rob, by the way, man. God bless you. Thank you for being here, man. Whatever. Wah? Wah, wah? Wah? Do you want me to do another giveaway, or do you want me to just give it to the mods? Whatever suits, bro. Okay. Well, we still got a giveaway then. We're going to do another giveaway. I think it's better. The mods we will trade for the mods on Monday. and they will get paid either way. Give it away now. Thanks, Rob. We're going to go again. Giver's gain, baby. That's it. Giver's gain. All right. Well, I guess we got to go pick another video for you guys to explode. Bitcoin chopping here, no trade. All right. So we're going to go over to this video now. Comment Otter Gang. Go over here, comment Otter Gang, OTTER gang, and blow up this guy's channel. He's all right, man. This guy's been around. He drives me crazy sometimes, but I love him. Lunar Beaches Crypto. Go and subscribe to LBC. Let's see if we get him to 700. That would be cool. He is an Elliott wave theorist. He knows what he's doing. I don't know how to do Elliott wave theory. I'm not a theorist. You know, ancient astronaut theorist. But he does. He's family. He is a bit taller than me. I'm jealous. And he is about to have a son. I'm telling you, it's a boy, bro. I've changed my mind. Only one animal was harmed in making of his microphone. Yeah, he has a chinchilla for a microphone. I've already done a giveaway on that video. Have I? Oh my God, I have. I have. Guess we're gonna have to do a different video. Steve Ruggles wave theory myself. Yeah, man. I'm Steve Ruggling, man. Steve Ruggles is... That won't work, no. Okay, we're going to have to go to a different video, guys. I'm sorry. I'm such a pain in your ass. I'm such a pain. Go to this video. Steve Ruggles. I got to start like... I'm going to make some Steve Ruggles merch. Make some Steve Ruggles merch, man. Steve Ruggles mug. We're going to have a competition. Who can make the best Steve Ruggles? A Steve Ruggles image, and then we'll put it on a mug or something. I think we do it, Billy. I would buy a Steve Ruggles mug. Go over to this video, comment Otter Gang. We're going to do a couple months giveaway for membership. If you're a member, we'll give away some money. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. Steve, do you need my picture? yeah, bro. Steve Ruggling, man. I would cheers you, Billy. We would be cheersing to the Steve Ruggles. You guys subscribe to Lunar Beaches Crypto?
Everyone, welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto.
I don't see enough subscriptions here. I see 60 comments and not enough subscriptions. We'd like to get him to 700. That'd be really cool, guys, if you guys could do that. It's been streaming forever. He's definitely a great person and a good trader and family man. I mean, I don't recommend any douche canoes. That's me, man. I think we do a Steve Ruggles mug and a douche canoe mug. And he streams late at night, right? He's a night owl. Bitcoin price action dismal, guys. This is ugly. This is trapping longs in my opinion. Just my thought. No trade here. This is. Did we get him to 700 or not?
Hey everyone, welcome.
95. 5 more subscribers, guys. 5 more subscribers. Comment Otter Gang here. 97. You guys are making me work for it, eh? Okay. He can get 3 on his own. He'll be all right. He'll be all right. He's a tough cookie. Comment picker. Come on, pick my nose, comment picker. Have I... Yeah. Okay. Why is the comment picker giving me why is it giving me attitude? If you do not support private or remote videos or videos with comments disabled, please ensure videos not private. I don't think it's private. Why won't it let me? What? We were just on it. We were just on the comment picker. It's making me log in. Oh, man. I'm Steve Ruggling, guys. Oh, my God. I'm such an idiot. I couldn't find it because I was too zoomed in. Guys, I was like this. It's like, why can't I find it, guys? Why can't I find it? Look, I was too zoomed in. What an idiot. Oh, man. Otter, baby. Let's go. Oh, man. We ain't going to make this one a long one, okay? We'll do 15 seconds here. At least I can do math. Some days, 124 comments. Bitcoin rolling over right now. 917. Here's the comments, guys. Because I zoom in for this. Here we go. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Earth. Wazoo. Let's go, baby. Wazoo. Wazoo, welcome to the gang, man. Welcome to the gang, Wazoo. Congratulations, GG's. Wazoo. LBC, are you at 700 yet or what? 705. Hey, look at that. LBC 705. Look at that, bro. You're a grower and a shower. Let's effing go. Thank you, gang. Thank you, gang, and thank you guys for subscribing to Lunar Beaches Crypto. The family man, Mr. Wazoo, and thank you, Crypto Rob, for donating your giveaway. God bless you, bro. Mr. Bitcoin Spartan. Let's go, baby. Crypto Rob. God bless you, bro. And Wazoo, come claim your prize, Wazoo. Let's get into the charts here. So we're rolling over here. Got a couple of bounce levels that we are looking for. We'll see how price materializes into a market open here. We got the little ugly balloon dog here with it's got a third leg. Okay, this balloon dog's got a third leg. Don't be rude, guys. We got a third leg here. Okay, on the balloon dog. I don't know what that is, but you know what I mean. We'll see what happens here. This guy looks like it needs to come down. Lots of liquidity. Looks like it needs to roll over. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. One trade today. Up $130. We'll see what happens after that. Patience is key right here. So we'll see how the market wants to open up. Happy Friday, everybody. God bless you. Thank you for being here, being on the live, smacking up like button, subscribing if you're new, all that good stuff. We'll see what happens here. Coming into market open. I'm going to refresh my coffee because we got market open, then we're going on FD White's channel right after. So I'm going to go and update my coffee mug. I don't even have to pee. I just need more coffee, guys. You guys are making me work today.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
You're okay. Good save. Good save. I love you. Oh, my son's the cutest. I have the cutest son in the world. By far. By far. All right. All right. We're back. FD White, baby. Let's go. FD White after the show. We're going to be streaming We're going to be going longer and stronger with FD White after the stream here, everybody. Thank you for being here and hanging out. A bunch of giveaways today. Thank you guys for supporting this channel for so long. I do appreciate you guys hanging out here in the mornings with me, even though sometimes it's a complete gong show. A lot of the time we catch a lot of good trades, though. I think we do a pretty good job here of being patient and taking good setups, good ideas. Just showing you guys how I do it every single day. That's it, right? I mean, I don't need to hide anything. We're just here to try and take high probability trade setups over and over again, trying to manage our risk properly and kick ass take names, right? $300 a day is 50 grand a year. Okay? $300 a day is 50 grand a year. That was my target. It's a bit different now, but it's thank you for being here, Rudy. Thank you for being here, Dragonfly, DJ, LBC, Crypto Billy, Loza. Managed to snag a short. Nice. 111.2. Nice. You're up in here. Nice job. Nice job. Good morning, Igos. Thank you for being here, LBC. What you know about juice? Let's go, baby. Pick your winner, man. Always present. Gains for life, man. God bless. Triple balloon dog. My son is fence post ugly for the record, but he has a best friend and I love him. But he is my best friend. He's fence post ugly. I love you, Billy. Love this group. I've been in crypto for 3 bull runs, now traveling the world full time for 4 years. Time to give it back. God bless Crypto Rob. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. Love having you, man. Soy Boy Lana, not looking too hot here, guys. Not looking too hot. Retest to lows. Scam wickety wickety. S&P, we'll see how it opens this morning. We got 4 minutes till market opens, everybody. Thank you for being here. Remember, after the stream, you don't have to do anything. You just have to sit tight and hold on to your horses, because we're going to send this stream right over to FD White, where you can subscribe if you want. I mean, I would. This guy is a fire starter. But we'll be over there after this. Long-term streaming today. Price action coming down here. We'll see what materializes for the rest of today. Longer term time frame staying more down. Shorter term time frame stay a little bit of relief. Is this the relief, or are we going to get a little bit more? We'll see. Liquidity in the lows here. We'll see if it does want to dump down. Patience will prevail. Okay? Patience will prevail. You can see retest of highs here. Not necessarily interested in that just yet. A little rejection from VWAP here. Looks like a rollover potentially, but still waiting. 12-minute looks toppy. Money flow is coming up, so we could see a relief here. Money flow and VWAP could bounce here, and we could see relief, but not yet. 24-minute trigger wave. Nasty. Nasty. This is nasty. This says I'm going to dump it on your head. Unless we can see curvature to the upside here on money flow, this says down. Little bit of patience here. Yeah. NASDAQ double top. Trying to push back here. Obviously a big old rug show coming into this. So a little patience here. We'll see what happens. I would like to see like it sweep, like push up and then come down. We know there's resistance here. Volume resistance here. Order block in here got filled. This order block got filled. But there's still volume resistance in here, meaning, you know, you could bang your head on the ceiling kind of deal. There's a ceiling here. So we could see a little bit of a hopium push up into the market open, a rejection, and then back down for the liquidity in the lows. Or we're looking for a continuation trade. So a little patience right now. Let's be patient. See what happens with market open here. Obviously, a little bit of fireworks to start the day, which is always fun. A bunch of giveaways today. Big Discord sale starting next week. Lots of stuff in the pipeline. I got a bunch of stuff coming your guys' way. Hopefully within the next week or two. I'm excited for these things, man. There's some cool deals that we've been working on in the background for you guys. So hopefully we can give you guys some goodies. I mean, I'm not here to sell you anything. It's always been if I'm using it and I'm making money with it, I'll share it with you guys. If not, I don't touch it. I mean, I get messages every day. Hey, man, you want to use my exchange? It's called Sus Exchange. Sus Exchange. Sussex. Sussex. It's suspicious. And I say, no. Too good. Look at the rollover here coming into market open. Let's go, baby. Gap down for the S&P. Big gap down. Big gap energy rolling over here for the market. Congratulations on your shorts. They're printing. See what happens here. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. God bless you guys. Ding, 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 ding. Retesting highs here. Nice sweep. Coming in for late longs. Little SFP here, coming into some support for the S&P. NASDAQ rolling over. Really? That's your liquidity sweep? That's pretty lame, man. Pretty lame. Pretty lame for a liquidity sweep. You got to come here. Got to come here. Yep. Rolling. Rolling on a river. Come here. Come for a sweep here. I got the broom. You just bring the sweep, man. Bring the sweep. I got the broom, man. We're ready. I don't mind. Right into the broom. NASDAQ bouncing nicely. Still a bit of chop, though. SPY trying to hold this low. Bitcoin, pretty flat. Solana, bouncing nicely. Maybe Solana leading the way. Can we see a pushback from Bitcoin here, or are we going to see lower? NASDAQ rolling over, bearish for Bitcoin. S&P coming down to support. Solana rolling over as well, bearish for Bitcoin. Stalling out here, looks like further downside for Bitcoin. No trade. It's a golden pocket level, retest to previous highs. I mean, it is a bounce level. Again, everybody bearish this morning, and then pumpage. Contrarian point of view, up to view op. Little slap and go. Slap and go. Okay, pretty flat here. Tells me there's buyers kind of stepping up, in my opinion. S&P retesting highs. NASDAQ swept. Looks like buyers could step up here potentially. We'll see. 935. Okay, couple candles in. Chopping, right? Pretty ugly in here. Pretty ugly. This looks like continuation down. Down, rejection, yeah. Could step up here, though. Could step up. That's all I'm saying. There's potential here because the NASDAQ sweeping the lows, S&P retesting highs, okay? Kind of a bounce level for everything. No trade yet, still waiting. I like Solana's bounce. Solana's been leading the way, so I look for confluence in Solana sometimes to see, hey, what's going on, man? What's going on? Bitcoin rolling over here. Got to go here. It's got to go here. Here's kind of where it's make or break, in my opinion. Push, Biddy. Push, Biddy. Come on. No pushback here. Considering a long here. NASDAQ bounce? No? Considering a long here. NASDAQ bounce? No bounce on NASDAQ. No bounce on Bitcoin. Okay. Continuation down. Yep. SFP of the lows. SPY rolling over as well. We're looking here for SPY now. Then we're looking, just here for now. Rolling over for Bitcoin, no trade. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. Congratulations to your shorts, GGs. Still waiting here. Could have taken that retest here and down, but pretty choppy market open. Nice SFP on the NAS here. NASDAQ retesting highs, right? And then we're looking to retest in here. Nice area for the NASDAQ to bounce, though. In my opinion, this is a pretty clean area. If NASDAQ can go, Bitcoin will follow. No trade here, still waiting. I'd like to see Bitcoin take this low, but doesn't necessarily mean it has to. Rolling over here for Biddy. NASDAQ battling. SPY pretty flat. Solana pushing. Solana trying to push. I think a little bit lower for Bitcoin. Pretty clear. No trade here, still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being on this live, man. We're going to go over to FD's channel after this and continue trading. So just stay put. Once the stream ends, it'll send you over there from YouTube over to his channel. And we'll continue trading with FD, man. I'm looking forward to it. Good roll over here for Biddy, coming to sweep the lows. NASDAQ continues to jump. They don't like this news. SPY continues to dump. Biddy continues to dump. Coming for the SFP of this low here. Sweep and go. Sweep and goes on the platter here. Sweep and go. Come and tap it and go. Rolling over for Biddy. Continuing to roll over here. GG's on your short, everybody, if you are short. Very nice. Liquidity being taken here. Big roll over here. Solana rolling over. Ethereum rolling over. Bitcoin rolling over. Bearish, baby. Unbearable. Dad joke for the win. Congratulations on your shorts, guys. We wait. I mean, you could have taken a VWAP rejection here. You could have taken a break of structure in here. Wasn't for me. I was too busy doing giveaways. Look for a buy up here. See if we can get it. Okay. Push Bitcoin. Potential long here. Not yet. Getting everybody bearish, in the morning. Typically gets met with a, once the liquidity has been taken, it typically gets met with a pushback. I'll take a little stab here. Take a little stab here, see if it wants to go. Half a position size. Half a position size. I'll take out half there. Okay, half taken out. See if we can push back here. Stop loss to entry, everybody. See if we want to keep pushing here. Half a position size, half out. So 50,000 still left on the trade. See what happens here. I like the sweep. I like the sweep here. We've come all the way down to the liquidity in here. Not the full low, but low enough for me to justify taking a trade here where stop loss is just below the low here. Just another quick scalp. Looking to get up into this order block here, really. That's where I'm looking to get to. Not trying to be too aggressive here. And if we don't, we don't, right? That's cool. That's cool. I saw the NASDAQ bouncing as well on my other screen, which gives me the confidence, a little bit of confidence, seeing a little pushback here on the NASDAQ. See if Biddy can go. If not, whatever, man. We've taken the trade. We've managed the risk. Don't you dare counter trade me, Alex. Let's get that London low. Oh, man, this is still coming down, man. I don't know if we bounce from here. I would like to see the low taken. It's an easy scalp for me. Quick $50. I saw the strength in the NASDAQ, right? It's not I'm not trying to hit home runs here. It's for me saying, hey, man, this is a place where we could go back up, right? You're getting everybody so bearish this morning, FOMOing in short, and they're getting paid as long as they know how to manage their risk and, do their thing. I saw a little bit of, S&P's at a good spot. Pretty justifiable. Easy risk management, too, like risking like $200 here. Right? Already up. Quick take profit. Wick test up in here. See if it does continue. If not, whatever, right? We've paid ourselves already. Like, it's base hits, man. Base hits is like bread and butter for me. I love a base hit, man. $50, $100, $50, $100, $50, $100. You end the day, you're up $700. That was me yesterday. I made $780 yesterday, and it was just base hit after base hit after base hit. It was No need to be greedy. Sometimes they turn into home runs. And sometimes they turn into something like this. And that's cool, man. I don't give it back. I don't give it back. Stopped out. $50. On to the next one. Lower. That's what the NASDAQ says. Lower. That's what the SPY says. And that's where we're going. Sorry for counter trading you. I'll never counter trade you again. Oh, man. We're going over to FD White after this. Just wait here and you'll be redirected to his stream after the live stream. There you go, K Diggity. You making money. Brother, are you saying everything in 1 minute? Ooh, look at this sweep of the lows, baby. Let's go. Dump it, Bitcoin. Damn, Daniel. You're going to zero. Everybody eating their humble pie today. All those people who were calling for the bull run to start and... Yeah, right. Nice SFP. Could have taken that one. I don't think I'm going to take that one. I wonder what FD White's thinking. He's probably thinking, short this thing to zero, bro. I can hear it. Short it to zero. Maybe we come to my key level today. Failed reclaim, short trade. I'm in it. Failed reclaim of the range. Failed SFP. I'm short. Easy trade for me. I hammered it. Failed to reclaim the range. Continuation down. Easy short for me. Get paid. Get laid. All that fun stuff. Dump it, Bitcoin. Give these guys a slice of that humble pie. There we go. Failed reclaim. If it fails to reclaim an SFP, you can short it. I guess I'll have to go over that in the Discord today. We'll do a lesson on that. Quick $230. Guys, we hitting base hits today, man. We just taking them for all they're worth. We're just taking it for all they're worth. Another GG's in the chat. Let's see it. GG's in the chat, baby. Can I get a GG's, please? GG's. 150, 250. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Just chilling. Thanks, Bitcoin. I'm gonna send up Mrs. Otter to go shopping today. It's almost Mrs. Otter's birthday. Beautiful, my beautiful old lady, man. I love her. She's the best. She's the cutest too. Not only is my son the cutest, but damn, he looks like his mother. She's the cutest too. Love it. Beautiful trading day today. So far, so good. Laughing to the bank. 123. 50. Yeah, 170. 220. 170. 230. 170. 230. $300. $400 day so far, guys. Great. Great. 250 trading days a year. If you're just trading the regular days, times 400, guys. You do the math. You making bank, baby. And you're sitting on your wanking chariot at home in your PJs with your handkerchief making $100K a year. Oh, man. Shazam, bam. That's the one. We got to do a Wanking Chariot mug. We got to do a Steve Ruggles mug. And we have to do a Douche Canoe mug. We're going to have to do a line of mugs. NASDAQ down. S&P down. Coming to the lows now. S&P. Yeah, this is nasty for SPY. Humble pie here, everybody. Humble pie for all the moon boys. It's a good slice of pie. Solana's being pretty resilient here. I like this on Solana. Ethereum coming down. We're looking at 42.30 on Ethereum. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 440 people, man. This is crazy. Hanging out in the mountains. Bitcoin trying to push back. Giving everybody a little bit of hopium. 3 trades today. $50, $130, and $230. Quick scalps. No setups for me to give, really. Just pretty quick and snappy, you know. Hopefully you all just shorted this morning. I hope you all to have a very prosperous Friday. Turn those frowns upside down, kick some ass, take some names. And if you're trying to learn, man, come over and join the Discord. Watch all the free videos on the channel, right? There's a lot of good stuff in there as well. I was thinking of maybe doing some educational content every now and then, once a week or something for you guys, for the people who can't afford the Discord. Which, I mean, you know, probably shouldn't be. You should be learning how to trade rather than paying for a Discord if you don't have the money to afford it, right? And that's key. You'll pay either way. That's what I got to say. Is you'll pay either way. I mean, took me 7 months to kind of smarten up and stop being a degen to implementing risk management and strategy. And then from 7 months, turning profitable and compounding an account. Then from that, going full time, right? Trading while working, setting out specific times when to trade, how to trade, defining the type of trader I wanted to be, whether it was a scalp trader, a swing trader, an intraday trader. Backtesting my strategy over and over and over and over again. Takes time. You got to be in these charts. But you can do it. If I can do it. I mean, I swing a hammer all day, carrying plywood, come home, sore back, and spend 2 hours a night trading, learning, teaching, using the tools. You can do it too. It's just discipline, risk management. Risk management's the easiest thing to do in trading. Why do everybody struggle with it? Because they want to get rich fast. Keep struggling. Trying to reclaim range here, still not convinced. A little pushback here, trying to reclaim range here for NASDAQ as well. Still not convinced. This is nasty. Okay, we're going to have bull divs here, though. Like we said, bull divs coming down, sweeping this liquidity. Still not coming down for the full low. Okay? But sweeping liquidity is a good sign. Right? Liquidity has been swept here. Next low is our next target, right? So from here, right, we're either coming here or we're going to get some relief, meaning we're going to bounce and get a higher low. And that the higher low is typically your safe bet. Longing this, you know, getting long here is Jason Casper, man. That guy's an absolute legend. That's where Jason Casper gets long. You're not Jason Casper. Okay? Shout out to the Casper crew, man. God bless them. I love them. They good stuff, man. I learned a lot from Jason. especially that Dolores, man. Dolores is probably my favorite. I think everybody talks about 6 Juanita and the uneven butt cheeks, but I like Dolores at the diner. And she's got a raspy voice. I like Dolores. That's my kind of gal, you know? 2 packs a day. Keeps the doctor away. Yeah, he did an interview with the legends themselves. Frankie gets long at the lows too. That's good, man. I'm a wick whisperer as well, man. Yeah, that's the one from Dolores, man. We love. Loving the education. I bought Gio's course, Alex, learning a lot. Seriously consider joining the auto game because I'm printing on an East Short. Let's go, baby. Good job, man. Gio's a great trader, man. He works really hard. I commend Gio. He's a smart money concept guy, and that's cool, man. He likes his PO3s, mitigations, all that stuff. I mean, I'm sure Trader Gio, I could send him a text right now, and I'll be like, Trader Gio, how badly were you drooling over this? Tell me about it. 1, 2, 3, SFP. Tell me Gio was not drooling over this, man. He was giga short as soon as we came back into this range. I guarantee it. 1, 2, 3, into place to be, target the liquidity, R multiple 500 to 1. Okay? I guarantee it, man. I love his style's good, man. I like it. Look at this rollover coming for that liquidity now. Shorts are paying, baby. Shorts are paying. The pain is not over. Shorts are paying. We're going to keep trading, guys. We're going over to FD, man. This is a long stream for me. But you're going to learn some stuff from FD because he has a very unique way of just staying cool, man. He just chilling, making his money on the way up, and chilling when everybody's panic dump. Oh, my God, we're going to zero. He's chilling. I mean, who doesn't want to learn how to trade like that? The man's so level-headed. And he's not weird. He's a good human. He's a good human, man. Uneven butt cheeks. Gotta love that skinny. Yeah, Dolores. Ever heard of Trade Travel Chill? Yeah, man. Trade Travel Chill. She does a good job. Lots of Traders Reality with her and Elliott Wave. Dusty Hunt says, Lifer says, I'm the only one that called the low. That's cool, man. Whatever he's into. I've done talking smack about anybody else. I don't really care about it. You know, people can do what they want. This for me, I'm about traders helping traders. That's it. If you're trading and you can make your living off of just trading, not off of people joining your Discord, using your affiliate links, that's part of the business. I understand that. But if I sat you down, okay, gave you a $10,000 trading account, gave you $2,000 of rent and food to pay, and I sat you down there and give you 2 months worth of rent, could you survive? That's the challenge, okay? Okay? I challenge any one of those. Any one of them. Let's go. Let's do the challenge, right? I'll give you 2 months rent. You get no more money. 2 months rent. You get a 10K account. Okay? And let's see who can survive. Who can pay rent? That's where it's at, man. Okay? Because everybody who's watching these streams ain't making their affiliate links, ain't making their Discord money, ain't gonna make their whatever BloFin job friggin' whatever, right? Okay? That's what I'm talking about. Traders helping traders. And I did it for a year and a half, so Let's go. That's my spiel. That's my spiel. It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. I'm sending you guys. I'm going to jump over there now. I'm sending you guys over to FD White. He's one of these kind of traders. Just wait here. I'm going to send you over there. I'll see you over there. I love you guys. Let's keep going. Let's go make some money. Join over to FD White. Here's the link. If you want to just jump over now, that's cool. I'll send you guys the link right now. Maybe Alexander G has the link, but I'm going to go and jump over there right now. If you guys don't mind helping me out,
so
let's go.
Hopefully this is not the top of the market.
Let's go over to FD White
we
here.
can get
Here's the link, everybody.
History does show that.
I'm going to jump over there right now.
September is usually
Others
bearish.
in the chat, baby.
So
Let's go.
We'll
Let's
see.
go.
It's
We're going to catch this SFP or what?
We'll see if he comes over.
Bye.
Waiting on Alex O and the Otter gang to join. So right now we're just watching Bitcoin. We're getting a small little pop. Let's actually go to let's get some dopamine. Let's go to the 2 minute time frame. So I trade